Hello and welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to create a Facebook Messenger instant reply. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. Facebook Messenger instant replies are automated messages that are sent to your customers when they message your Facebook page. They can be used to provide information about your business, acknowledge receipt or a message, or provide a quick response to frequently asked questions. Here's how to create Facebook Messenger instant reply. Now, first thing you're gonna do is open up your Facebook app, then go to your Facebook account and go to your Facebook page. Now, tap on your profile picture with the three lines and just switch on your profile on your Facebook page. Now, it's already switched. Now, go to the messages. And as you can see here, if you see, we have an instant reply that there you can see the numbers that you can contact and the time openings and the instructions. You can use your mobile to edit some of the details, like if you press the profile picture on the upper right left, then you have here the frequently asked questions. And you can edit and add some of it. Like if someone asks for the available services, it automatically replies with this. And so on and so forth. But for the automatic reply, I'm trying to figure out with this mobile phone, but if you will use your desktop, you can edit it through Meta. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, can you put it in the comment section below? And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!